Hello children, welcome you in the chemistry class. Now I am going to teach you about the properties of carbon. Carbon, I have told you, exists in different physical forms. And the different physical forms of the carbon are called allotropes of carbon. So that is diamond, graphite, fullerene, charcoal, lime black and coke. So what are the usage properties of the carbon? Properties of carbon means properties of these different allotropes of carbon. But here I will discuss you what are the general chemical properties of carbon. Coke and carbon are good reducing agent. They have strong affinity for oxygen. They can remove oxygen from various oxide. Therefore, carbon dioxide to react with coke change into carbon monoxide, that is CO2 plus C, then 2CO, carbon monoxide is produced. So carbon dioxide give carbon monoxide to react with carbon or coke. Other is coke react with steam. So when coke react with steam, it will produce mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide gas. This mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide gas is called water gas. So water gas is produced when red hot coke react with steam. Other is oxides of calcium and silicon to react with coke will form carbide. So their calcium oxide to react with coke will form calcium carbide and carbon monoxide. Like this, silicon oxide to react with coke will form silicon carbide and carbon monoxide. Other property is oxides of metal like zinc oxide, ferric oxide, copper oxide to react with coke. They produce metal. It means oxides of metals are going to reduce into metal. ZnO to react with carbon form Zn plus carbon monoxide. Like this, iron oxide to react with coke will form iron and carbon monoxide. Copper oxide to react with coke form copper and carbon monoxide. So these are the chemical property which are showing the reducing property of carbon. Activity of charcoal can be tested by an experiment. So in the experiment, there has taken a small piece of charcoal block, and in the charcoal block a fine hole is made in the center. Now take a small amount of mercury oxide in the hole, and after that, by using blowpipe, direct the luminous flame of the Bunsen burner is allowed to enter in the hole of the charcoal. So children, you see here, this is the charcoal block of the charcoal has taken. This is the block of charcoal. In that one fine hole is made. In that hole mercuric oxide is taken, and this is the Bunsen burner. With the help of blowpipe, when air is blown, then flame of the burner enter in the hole. In this way mercuric oxide is heated, and when mercuric oxide is heated, mercury is going to decompose into mercury and oxygen. So this is the reaction for the decomposition of mercuric oxide. HgO react with coke will form mercury and carbon monoxide. So this indicates that mercury oxide is reduced to metal mercury, and this reduction is by the charcoal. So charcoal is here acting as a reducing agent. So children, you have to know the other properties of it. Like I told earlier also, carbon dioxide to react with coke, charcoal will form carbon monoxide. Lead monoxide when is heated with charcoal, then lead and carbon monoxide are produced. So their lead monoxide reduced into lead. Graphite is used for making refractive crucible. So why the graphite is used for making refractive crucible? Because graphite can withstand very high temperature. And black copper oxide when heated with charcoal, it turns brown. So why black copper oxide CuO when heated it change into brown? Its reason is this black copper oxide to react with charcoal will form copper and carbon monoxide, means copper oxide is going to reduce into copper, therefore it changes.